Hello world, and hello to cs50x Modern Academy in Egypt. I'm here in Harvard University where I teach CS50, Harvard's Introduction to the Intellectual Enterprises of Computer Science and the Art of Programming. In the coming weeks, you'll have an opportunity to learn not only computer science, but programming specifically. First, in a language called C, via which you'll understand all the more how computers work at a very low level. We'll then introduce you to Python, a higher level, more modern language via which you can analyze data and even build web applications as well. We'll introduce you a bit to SQL, via which you can navigate databases, and JavaScript, via which you can control web-based interfaces as well as mobile as well. And by the end of the course, will you have the ability to create your very own final project for the whole world to see, be it for desktops, laptops, or mobile devices alike. On a more personal note, one of CS50's greatest team members to date was a gentleman by the name of Kareem Zadan, who actually traveled to Harvard some years ago, joining us from Egypt, where he contributed to so many of CS50's software projects. He himself took CS50 back in the day, and so we too cannot wait to see what you ultimately create. This is CS50.